Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a Robinhood Cash account. First, make sure you're eligible. You must be at least 18 years old, a US citizen or permanent resident, have a valid social security number, and have a US residential address within supported states. Next, download the Robinhood app, log in or sign up, and tap the cash icon. Submit your spending account application by entering your personal details. Once approved, you can request your Robinhood Cash Card, a prepaid MasterCard issued by Soton Bank. When your physical card arrives, activate it in the spending section of the app. You can now use your card for purchases, track spending, and even enable features like round apps to invest spare change. And that's it. That's how to get a Robinhood Cash account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.